Hi guys, welcome back to this house of fashion. Hope you have another day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this lovely Caribbean dress you're seeing on the screen. I'm making use of 4 yards to cut this particular dress out. This is the chiffon fabric I'm making use of. The first cut is going to be the half cut, then the steps. To cut out the half cut, I'm going to cut out 13 inches in 2 places, then I'm folding it on each other like this. The first one is going to be 13 inches and the second one is going to be 13 inches, and I'm going to fold it out in such a way that it's going to have a zip allowance at the back. So this is after the folding. You can see my zip allowance at the back, just 1 inch of zip allowance. Then I'm going to take my shoulder measurement of 17 inches, and that is 8.5 inches. Here is it. This is my 8.5 inches with this shoulder slant of 1 inch is there. Then I'm going to slant it to the center of both back and front, but before then let me take my arm measurement of 8 inches, and here is it. As you can see, then the midline is the half cut, just half cut for the before the pleat. You can see it now. We have 12 inches left. So the bust measurement here is 48 inches. That is 12 in 4 places. It's going to give us 48 inches. So we're using 12 inches here with a seam allowance of 2 inches. So I'm going to take that down like this. No, it doesn't have an half cut. It doesn't have waist measurement. Just take it straight down to the full length of the half cut here. So I'm straightening this up, then make this area too straight before using my armhole cut to bring out the shape of the armhole. You can see. Then if you're not making use of armhole cut, you can make use of your hand, like 2 inches up and 2 inches here. Then you connect them together like this, just to give you that curve area at the armhole. Then I want to make this area straight as well, so I can now cut it out. So the next thing here is to cut out the neckline. The wideness of the neckline here is going to be 4 inches. Here is it, 4 inches. Then I'm going to take the deepness to be 2 inches. This is for the back, 2 inches. Then I'm going to cut it out. I'm cutting them together before separating it to lower the front neckline. You can see. So I'm going to take down 3 inches, 3 inches, and here is it. You can see the 3 inches, so that the total neckline for the front is going to be 5 inches down. Then the back is going to be 2 inches like this, like this. Then we are done with the half cut. The next thing to cut out here is going to be the sleeve. So this is the fabric I'm using for the sleeve. I'm going to fold it. I've already folded it into 4. You can see this is into 4. This is for the both sleeves. Then this is the whole length I'm using for my sleeve. The whole length I folded out is the length I'm using for the sleeve. I can now go down with 4 inches here, then to sketch the shape of the armhole out. You can see I go down with 4 inches, then I sketch out the shape of the armhole. You can see how it looks like. Then I'm going to cut it out. So then I'm going to take the wideness of this area to be 12 inches. 12 inches. So from that 12 inches, I'm going to slant it down. You can make it of ruler if your hand is not straight enough. So I'm slanting it down like a line to the full length of the sleeve, like this. You can see the way it is. And this area where I folded it out is in fold, so I have to divide it. I told you it's for both sleeves. So the next thing here is to cut out the down part to make a complete dress. The full length for this particular dress is 60 inches, and since we cut out 12 inches, that means we left it 38 inches. So the first pleat from the chest to the knee is 26 inches, and this is it. And the next one will be 12 inches. So everything together is 60 inches, and the 60 inches is with the seam allowance. So the main length for this particular dress is 58 inches. So that means I added 2 inches of seam allowance to it. Let me analyze the way I cut it out. Let me start from the last pleat at the down part of the dress. Is 4 yards in wideness, as in the wideness is 4 yards, while the upper one that joined to the chest, that's the half cut of 12 inches, is 2.5 yards in wideness. So that the 4 yard I cut out for the down part, you'll be able to pleat it around the 2.5 yard. You understand? So that's how I divide my 4 yard of the fabric. So let me go and stitch everything together and show you the finishings. Welcome back. Here the finished work so far. This is after stitching them all. You can see the sleeve. This is the sleeve added to the half cut. Then this is the pleat. You can see the out is an outer pleat. You can whip it first, or you can as well stitch it at the upper part. Then you now use it to make a pleat around the chest. You can see the way I did it. And this is the down pleat. You can see the down pleat here is also an outer pleat. You can see how full it is. I told you I used 4 yards in wideness to pleat. Then I pleated it around 2.5 yards. You can see how beautiful that is going to turn out. So this is the back. It has a zip at the back. The way I folded it out, I told you you're going to leave a zip allowance at the back, and that's what I've done here. This is the back. You can see how beautiful this turns out. If you are watching me for the first time, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials, and for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my